This is Novo 2010 Sharp I channel. Please help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Please make sure that you subscribe and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you. This is Novo 2010 Sharp I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs North, Mamelodi Sundowns 4. Put you on fit. Good, thanks, man. Yeah, your thought about the game tonight?
First of all, ndifuna ukuthi orefli base South Africa basezayibulala ibhola se South Africa. Yeah, Sundowns isibethini, but the first goal ibulele mentality ye players the Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Ibulele tu. The blame orefli base South Africa. But ke ngoxa ndingena etimini zikhona changes efuneka zenzekile. Ucoach bengafolanga ba uShifavara umgqibisile in 90 minutes.
Exactly, yeah.
uDupreez ebefuneka but just utsala Sundowns because Sundowns bisayisibeke eboxini. Bekufuneka uDupreez atsalela Sundowns. Ucoach usifeyilile pha.
Yeah.
For management ye Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Management ye Kaizer Chiefs mayinike ibudget uNabi. Ahamba yothenga players.
January, yeah.
uNabi akathenga players. Zonke iPlayers eziphaya uNabi ufike zikhona zithengwe iChiefs. Makanikwe uNabi imali ayokhangela iquality aze. Otherwise uNabi is doing very well. Very well. Sibona utshintsho. Apha ezintwana bezicoachwa ngozwana ezicoachwa ngoJohnson. But uNabi ufike wazitshintsha ezantwana.
Mentality yazo.
But we need equality because we don't have the strikers to score the goals.
Exactly, yeah.
We need strikers and ngoku ndiyabona ifeyila futhi ikhona emva ezipalini. iChiefs iyafuneka iChiefs iphinde ivule imehlo iChiefs ikhangela ugoalkeeper. Thank you.
Thank you so much, my brother. Do you think I know Gucci our referee, as you just said, which all referee are very poor and all that, they are frustrating supporters. We have seen the incidents that were happening there, supporters throwing the bottles and all that. What can you say to the supporters in terms of that?
Mna ndifuna uthetha neKaizer Chiefs about supporters. iChiefs need a strategy. It need a strategy. Funeka kudeploy some security between the supporters, especially that side of Inantsika bench ye Kaizer Chiefs. iChiefs need a strategy enohlalela phansi. Ubiza unxibisa abantu iBips bazule pha khonto bazawuyenza abantu beBips.
Exactly, yeah.
It needs strategy. Noba secret security ezoba phakathi kwesupport xa beqala uqala ba-attack
abanjwe
uyabona phantsi ulimala zama ungani.
Because I've seen you you're doing a very good job coming inside the field and trying to stop them, but the main problem here was that there were fans who were too dangerous to our players, to the referee, to even Sundowns players. They went in there and the police and the securities, they took them back to the stands instead of arresting them.
I'm still blaming Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is too soft. They're supposed to take those who are doing nonsense and put them to the cells.
Exactly, yeah. Because
if the police take someone in the stadium and bring it back to what is going to stop the violence?
They were there. I saw, they were fighting with you there. People who were throwing, and we were telling them that guys don't throw because of it. You won't only hit the referee. You can even hit your own players.
Throwing the bottles in the field. It's not the referee alone in the field.
Exactly.
We have our lovely Villagas players. If you can cut that boy, you see, you are throwing the bottle to referee, but to cut your players. Someone who's innocent, you see. So they must stop doing that. The management of Kaizer Chiefs must strategize how to stop that. The disciplinary committee of Kaizer Chiefs must be harsh. Yes.
No, thank you so much, my brother. Hopefully they'll listen to you in January. The January window, especially in the striking force. They need to get at least 2 strikers to bolster Kaizer Chiefs.
Coordination.
Kosi for life.